Hey Misfits! Welcome to this week's video. We have a little bit of a scenery change. I thought it would be very relevant to film this in the kitchen, seeing as how we're going to be talking about diet. So this video is a little off-centered, simply because I'm not following the actual proper diet just yet. I know that's bad. So my stomach can't really handle new food yet. So I'm kind of still in that soft food transitioning into real food phase. So this is just super interesting. But I figured, hey, why not? Let me go ahead and try this. So, to start off, this is difficult. I have tried so many times to find new recipes and whatnot. I am so bad at meal prepping. It's ridiculous. When it comes to meal prep, I am so bad at it because I'm just like, oh yeah, meal prep, it'll save me a whole bunch of time. Yes, it does. But the majority of that time is just sitting in my refrigerator and I'm just like, oh well. Because I'm more of a grab and go kind of person because I'm constantly at work. Like I basically work 65 hours a week and I'm always at work and I need something that I can just have and go, have and go, have and go. So meal prepping is my weakness because I am so bad at it. Like for breakfast, I tried making these little egg bites with bacon. That probably lasted me 2 weeks, but it was like I would still forget to go and get it out the refrigerator and grab one every morning. So now what I'll do for breakfast is I'll grab an actual breakfast bite or I'll have a protein shake. So when... Hi, Ruger. He heard me. We were going grocery shopping the other day and I found these awesome little bite-sized muffin type things. And I was in Walmart and I threw away the boxes like an idiot. But you can find them in the frozen aisle and they are, this one's blueberry, but they're vegetables mixed with fruit, obviously, because I just said blueberry. But it's made with vegetables and they have like dark chocolate ones, they have chocolate chip ones, they have like these cheese ones, and they're made with vegetables inside of them. So I'm getting my vegetables in as well. And I'll have one of these for breakfast. But something I've noticed with me, morning times, my stomach will not hold anything. Like I can probably get through like half of one of these and then I'll have to give it to my roommate because I'm just like, hey, I can't finish it. So if I can't do that in the mornings, what I'll do is I'll drink a protein shake. Premier Protein, a lot of people say it tastes chalky, but I haven't really had that issue yet. But Premier Protein is something I always go to for my drinks. I'll have 2 of these a day because they have, well, majority of them has 30 grams of protein. This one only has 20, but that's still good. Because I need at least 60 grams of protein a day. So I know if I drink my 2 protein shakes a day, I'll hit my protein goal. But if I can't have my breakfast bite in the morning, I'll have my protein shake. So I'll have that by 9:30. And my next meal would be at noon. So at noon, I will have like one of 2 things. I will have a cheese stick, because guilty pleasure. Or I'll have like a quarter or a third cup of just mixed nuts. They have like a whole bunch in there. And it's just easy. It's easy to grab, easy to go to, something quick and easy to munch on. Granted, I don't finish that either. I end up normally having to give it to my coworker because I'm just like, hey, I can't finish these. Do you want it? So that normally works. And then my next thing is at 2 p.m. And then that's when I'll have my other protein shake. Like, there's the cookies and cream one. So good. Those ones and the chocolate ones are like my favorite. So around 4 p.m. is when I'll eat my next thing. Oh, bye, pupper. And I'll normally have like a thing of Greek yogurt or another cheese stick. It all depends on how my stomach is feeling at the end of the day. Becca just came out. But that's normally what I'll have around 4 p.m. Now, my dinner time, which would be 6, is where things get tricky. So I will either have like some tuna not made, but some tuna with cucumbers. Normally I can get through half of it before I'm full. Or what I'll do is I'll get like 2 slices of any sort of deli meat. Normally it's ham, because that's what I've been going to. And I'll normally get like 2 little blocks of sliced cheese. I think it's like the cracker cut size. Not 100% sure. But normally that's what I'll have for dinner. Just because it's around 6 o'clock. It's my end of the work day. It's something easy that I can just bring to work. And that's what I'll have. And then normally by the time I get home around 8 o'clock, 8:30, I'll have my last meal of the day. And then that I will either have like a little snack if Becca makes something, or what I'll do is I'll have my sweet by that time. So it'll be like a sugar-free popsicle or just something that I can find. Well, recently my friend just told me about the Simple Truth keto ice cream. I got 2 right now. So I found these. And they are freaking amazing. So they have like 9 grams. They're 9 grams net carbed. And then let me show you. So I got the pecan one because I love them. But they're 9 grams of net carbs. Per serving, it's only 220 calories. And then there's 4 grams of protein within each serving. And even with each serving, because it's like 2/3 of a cup, I still can't finish that much. But so far, that's been my diet. It's not the fullest I could be doing. But as of right now, with my stomach not accepting new foods, I work with what I can. But yeah, that's my diet for now. So thanks for joining. Hope to see y'all next week. Be welcomed and get creative. Bye.